All right, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to the channel. I'm one of your hosts, Harrison, and yeah, by the title of the video, you probably know what I'm about to show you guys. It's not done yet. I'm looking at it right now. It's not done. We got a lot of the frame up, and it's very exciting to just look at. So anyway, I'm about to show you guys progress so far. We're going to do a little walkthrough tour because most of the rooms and everything are formed, so you can kind of get an idea of what everything's like. So I'm going to walk you guys through super quick. You'll get to see the progress thus far, and yeah, it's very exciting. Before we head out, though, I just want to address something. When I said major life update, to me, to us, this is, and I'm sure to everyone else it also is, but when people were guessing, messaging me, saying, oh, is it this, is it that? No one said, are you guys building a house? I mean, I wasn't really expecting them to, but for the most part, people were like, are you guys expecting? Pregnant? Whatever. And no, unfortunately, no, we are not expecting as of yet. But yeah, it's something, it's not that, it is this right here in front of me that you guys are about to see, which is very exciting. And it is a major life update. So let's head outside. A little chilly this morning, hence why I have a jacket on. So we're gonna head outside, take a look at progress thus far, and I'll show you guys around a little bit. All right, let's go. So you'll have to excuse the noise as there is construction going on around us, but here it is. Here is the house so far. So this gravel, this is the driveway. There's the street, there's the street. Comes to the driveway. Here is the garage. So it is just one big door, but it is a 2-car garage. So Ashley and I can both park our cars in here. There are a bunch of beams up and stuff just because they need extra support. So that's what that is. And yeah, nice sized garage. I like that little nook back there. It's like a little bit of extra space. Probably gonna do like a workbench or something back there because it is technically out of the way of the square structure. So this door right here, this leads into the house from the garage. No steps, so we'll just step up ourselves. All right, so as soon as you get in, right here on the right, we have a little half bath. Here on the left, this is going to be our laundry room. Washer dryer, and there is going to be a little closet in here, just for like detergent and other stuff, whatever. So next we head in here. This is going to be the kitchen. This is going to be the kitchen right here. You have a little window there. You can look out into our backyard. And this right here, this is going to be a door out onto our little back patio that we're going to have. Not currently in, of course, but we're going to have that too. And oh look, a bunch of geese. But anyway, yeah, here's our backyard. It is good size. This big old mound of dirt here, this mound of dirt's probably about, let's say about 25 feet tall. Probably doesn't look like that in the camera. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of dirt because they are developing the area back there around behind us for more houses and a street that'll sort of make like a circle with ours. So right here is our pantry, and again, we have a bunch of supports up, so can't really get a great idea of the shape necessarily. And if you're getting any wind noise, I'm sorry, it is kind of windy this morning. So right here, there's a hallway from our kitchen into our dining room. Here's our dining room. Pretty cool. And right there, that's our front door. Here's the basement. They haven't put stairs in yet, so can't go down there, but I am gonna find a way. That is a long way down. It's about 10 feet or so. So don't think I'll jump. But there is another way down. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And the basement is awesome. And a lot of good stuff's going to be going down there. You guys are going to be ecstatic when it's all done. And I get to put everything in there. Legos, lightsabers, the whole 9 yards. So anyway, as you walk in the front door here, we've got this walkway, stairs to go upstairs to the second floor. I'll show you guys that in a second. Here's our, I guess you call this the great room or something. We got a couple nice big windows. Right here we're going to have our fireplace. And then this will just be seating area and stuff. This is just off the kitchen right there. So here's a doorway that goes into our bedroom, but I'm going to slip through the wall here and show you guys. So here's Ashley and I's bedroom. It's on the first floor. Our master bedroom here. And then right here is going to be our closet. Again, it's kind of hard to make out at the moment just because we got all these beams and stuff up. But then here's a little closet, probably for towels and stuff, and maybe extra clothes if we have any. And right in here we have the bathroom. So Ashley's sink's going to be there. Mine's going to be right over here. And then right there, in that area, that's going to be the shower. And then the bathtub is going to be right under this window here. And then in that little room there, it's going to be the toilet. So, pretty cool. Let's go upstairs next. And then lastly, I'm going to find a way down into the basement to show you guys. Because that's probably my favorite. It's probably going to be my favorite area in the house. And you guys are going to be excited when it's done. Anyway, let's head upstairs. Okay, we've made it upstairs. Let's take a look around. Alright, so from the top of the stairs, you can look down into our great room. See our fireplace right there, windows and everything. I really do like this view. I like that you can look down just into this whole area. I think it's a really cool view. But anyway, right as you get up the stairs, we have the first bedroom here. Again, sorry for all the beams up. But anyway, there's a nice size bedroom, nice big window here on the second floor. Right there is going to be a closet for this bedroom, and here's a walkway, little hallway into the bathroom that this bedroom and the bedroom across the way are going to share. So there'll be a bathtub shower combo. Toilet and sink in there. Then right across the way it's going to be the second bedroom. There's the doorway. Walk in like this. Another nice sized bedroom. Nice window there. And here is what's going to be the closet for this bedroom. And so this is the third bedroom up here with its own bathroom. They don't have a doorway for it yet, but it's going to go right here, right next to this one. So we're just going to slip through like this. Alright, so here's this bedroom. Once again, nice big window. This one's not going to go all the way down to the ground here. It's probably going to come up to where that one's going to come up. But anyway, yeah, nice big red bedroom here. The closet for this one is going to be right here. They just don't have it fully framed yet. And then right here, it's going to be your doorway into the bathroom. Toilet, sink, and bathtub shower combo. It's going to be in here, which is pretty cool. We're sorry, I might have that backwards. Well, no, Ashley knows more than I, but maybe, I think that's the closet. Sorry, this is the closet, I think. Or is this the bathroom? I don't know, Ashley knows more than I do. Anyway, just know that there's a, just know that there is a closet, and a full bath somewhere in this expanse. Ash would know more than I would. All right, now we're going to head downstairs to the basement. Well, there aren't stairs. I'm going to jump down to the basement and just kind of show you guys around down there. And yeah, I'm very excited for the basement to be done. It's gonna be awesome. So let's head down. This is I think it's called an egress window or something like that. But anyway, we don't have a walkout basement. It's fully underground. So this is a way to escape if there ever is an emergency. Hopefully not. But this is going to be the way I'm going to get down in there if I can. There's a bunch of stuff in the way, but I can probably finagle my way around it because I really want to show you guys down here. So let's try and figure that out. All right, I have made it to the basement. So right off the bat, this is going to be my man cave. And in here, we're going to do Legos, lightsabers, video editing area, Lego building area, and just Star Wars helmets and anything else I can stick in here. Very excited about this room, and it is going to be awesome. I am so excited for you guys to see it when it's all complete and furnished and everything's in here. I'm very excited, very excited. And here's the rest of the basement. Got a full bath down here, which is awesome. This is our big main area. Our stairway down is going to be right here. It's gonna come down like this and open up into this room here. We're gonna have TV on this wall and a couch just right here. Oh, here are the stairs. They haven't finished them yet, but these are the stairs here, which are gonna go right there. And we have two unfinished areas, one here and one here, just for storage and stuff. And then this one, we're actually gonna make into our Disney room. So we're gonna have all our pins displayed and anything else we wanna put up or put out is gonna be in here. And yeah, this room is gonna be a lot of fun too. And I can't wait for you guys to see this one either. So that's basically, I guess that's basically everything. I timed this perfectly because my camera's almost dead. So we're gonna head back upstairs, conclude everything there. All right, so that's gonna do it. That was the tour of what we have so far in the house. But yeah, again, we're very excited and can't wait for them to finish. Hopefully they work on a little more today. If not, that's fine. Next week, by the end of next week, there should be a lot more progress. And I'm going to update you guys. I'll put updates on the channel every, I don't know, once they do something that's worth, like a decent upgrade, I will update. We'll show you guys, either in video form or just make a post on YouTube, Instagram, whatnot. So, that's going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed that little early tour. You guys got early access, so to speak. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and again, we're both very excited. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed that, and again, we're very excited. But anyway, next video, we're going to be back to Disney content, more pin trading, park vlogs, stuff like that. But again, very excited. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.